to be able to delete this, if we just come here and we hit delete, okay, we've deleted that. But you'll notice that if we come back to those particular boxes, you know, that we had information in, can you see there is nothing here? But if we check this drop down, the formats, you see that that section or that particular box still says dates, and this still says currency, and this still says percentage. So even if there is nothing there, if I go to type 0.1, for instance, you see that it's already bringing that percentage symbol, okay? So how do I remove that? So all that I need to do now is select that entire section, and then I come to this delete, all right? You see where I have clear. Okay, so I can just click that drop down and I can say clear all, okay? So that it clears everything. So regardless of the fact that there is no data there, that still retained, you know, the formats that you put in there, okay, earlier. So we just come here and we say clear all, and then we are able to clear that and bring it back to normal, so that if we click on every box there, you can see that it's now general. It's no longer switching to dates, okay? Now, entering data into Excel. To enter data into Excel, one of the things that you need to do first is just go and click on the cell where you want the information to appear. So let's say we want our information to appear on cell C3, for instance, okay? So if you click on cell C3, that's the first thing to do. The second thing to do is to type the information that you need, okay? So let's say you want to type names, okay? So let's say John Smith, all right? And then the next thing to do is to press enter, okay? And the data is stored in that selected cell. Now, you can also use the formula bar at the top of the worksheet to enter data. So remember how we first enter data? You take your cursor to the cell that you want to input data in. So let's say we want to input data in cell D3. So you take your cursor there, then you go to the formula bar. This is where the formula bar is. And then you hit enter. And once you click on the formula bar, you just put in the data that you want to put. So let's say we want to put in 1,200, okay? And then you enter, all right? So that's also another way that you can enter data into a cell in Excel.